Here I have TCL 306 and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the home screen and lock screen section, then go to the wallpapers. You can select one of these pre-installed default wallpapers. You can select one of the custom images which you can download from the internet or just take photo with your camera. Tap allow, then select where from you want to select it, from gallery for example. Allow, then select an image. Oh, not this one. Then select an image. Here you can adjust this image or you can't. Okay, here by tapping on edit crop you can select edit crop. Tap done, and here you can select tap done if you want to set it as a home screen wallpaper. Tap set both if you want to set it on as home screen and lock screen wallpaper, as I'm going to do. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.